Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we will change into dy over dx. This one we put on the left, y we put on the left, dx we put on the right. So we have 1 plus 2y squared over y dy equal to cosine x dx. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one divided by y, so we have about 1 over y plus 2y. Next, the integration of 1 over y, that's about ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of 2y in here, you got about 2y squared over 2. The integration of cosine x, that's about sine x, and we put about c. We simplify and you got about y squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.